Marianna, Arkansas, the heartland of America, a Gibraltar of traditional American values, where patriotism is worn on the sleeve and flown from the front porch, where faith in the country and affection for its president, with all his frailties, is undiminished. The pastoral contentment here in Marianna seemed immune to the dangers that lurk in the larger world, until one morning, from a half a world away, the realities of power politics and international terrorism came crashing into the tranquil lives of Bobby and Brenda May.
On August 20th, I was walking through my kitchen. The television was on, and the president was there.
Today, I ordered our armed forces to strike at terrorist-related facilities in Afghanistan and Sudan.
I had no earthly idea why in the world we would be bombing Sudan. And of course, my husband was there. It was my main concern. I made attempted at that time to make a phone call to him.
It was evening at the Khartoum Hilton. Bobby May, the Arkansas cotton farmer in Sudan scouting out business prospects, was in his room when the phone rang.
It was Brenda, my wife, and she says, well, the United States has bombed Khartoum. I said, what? I had to repeat it several times because I couldn't believe it. And she says, turn your TV on CNN. And so I did, and sure enough, there was William Cohen giving an address to the media.
What we do know is the facility that was targeted in Khartoum produced the precursor chemicals that would allow the production of a type of VX nerve agent that has been talked about at some length.
And I couldn't believe my ears because I knew that that wasn't the truth about this plant. I'd been to this plant. My first thought was, this has got to be a terrible, terrible mistake. I was embarrassed to be an American at that time, for the first time in my entire life.